Hello, my name is Alex Cha. I'm an attorney practicing personal injury and lemon law cases in downtown Los Angeles. We help clients all over California in their personal injury and lemon law cases. So in this video, we'll be going over some common questions and misconceptions that a potential client may have under California lemon law. No, your car does not have to be completely dead to qualify under California lemon law. In fact, a lot of the cars that we deal with have problems that are easily fixed or are fixed after a few attempts at a dealership. What is very important though is how many times you have taken the car in and or how many days a car has been at a dealership. If your car was towed in as completely dead because it didn't start or because the battery was dead, sure, you may have a stronger case, but it doesn't mean just because you only went in a few times that your car doesn't qualify for under lemon law. The dealership has an obligation to repair your car under warranty. If you take the car in with the same issue and complain over and over again, the dealership will try to make repairs. But sometimes the dealership may say, we cannot find the problem with your car. Then they'll let you take the car back. So as of right now, only brand new cars do qualify as lemon law unless your car was CPO, certified pre-owned, or your car was used as a loaner at a dealership. There was a change in law about 1.5 years ago by this California Supreme Court where used vehicle did not qualify under California lemon law. So CPO is certified pre-owned, and the manufacturer and or dealership will provide documentation that will say your car is CPO. So a lot of problems with new cars will come and go, and sometimes dealership cannot verify the concern. If that happens to you, you need to video record what's going on with the car, and you need to show that video record to the dealership so they know exactly what they're looking for. We have cases where a client will take the car in and the problem cannot be duplicated, but at that time you have to be very diligent and take it in multiple times possibly to have the dealership take a look at and try to repair the concern. No, lemon law has two remedies that the manufacturers offer nowadays. And one is to repurchase the vehicle and the other is to give a cash compensation. Cash and keep. The manufacturer will provide cash for you to keep on driving the car, and in repurchase, the manufacturer will give you all that you paid into the car minus mileage deduction and buy the car back from you. Now, sometimes they could replace the vehicle, but manufacturers are not doing that nowadays. And replacing the vehicle is a big headache for a lot of people because it's hard to find the same similar make and model with the same financial terms. So if you want to learn more about cash settlement and repurchase, please click here. In California lemon law, I think you need to hire a lemon law attorney. A lot of people do it by themselves, but sometimes the manufacturers will not give you the best deal when you do it by yourself. And it's not expensive to hire a lemon law attorney because the manufacturer pays for lemon law attorneys' fees and costs. So one case example that we have is 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5. Hyundai Ioniq 5 appears to have ICCU issues, and it's taking Hyundai many days to get the part in. So we have cases where the car has been in service for 30 days, 60 days plus. Those are very good cases for the client. Another case that we have a lot of nowadays is 2024, 2025 Jeep Wrangler cases. for some reason, Jeep Wrangler has a big recall against them, and Jeep Wrangler has a lot of problems and issues. It may be for their battery, it may be for other issues that the car was in for many days. If you think you have a problem with your Jeep Wrangler, please give us a call for a free consultation. I hope this answered a lot of your questions or concerns regarding lemon law. If you think you have a lemon, if you think you're driving a lemon, please give us a call for a free consultation, and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about lemon law, please leave a comment and the year, make, and model of the car and the issues you're having, and we'll be more than happy to get back to you. And please subscribe more if you want more information.